The six-time Super Bowl champ Tom Brady has lost his Twitter virginity, and the athlete finally opened a Twitter account and immediately got trolled by his buddy, your boo brat, Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
Oh my God!
Now the trolling all started. Are you following him yet?
Oh my goodness!
So the trolling all started with an April Fool's joke when Tom tweeted his first tweet and said, "I'm retiring. In my spare time, I'll be tweeting." So The Rock wasted no time responding to his friend with a Photoshop picture of Brady using his body with the caption, "My good friend Tom Brady just texted me and said he's retiring. What a career!" And that also he's joined Twitter. Good to see him comply with our dress code, and he loves his new fanny pack.
Oh my goodness.
It actually looks real almost.
It does look real.
It actually does not. Tom Brady's thighs on Tom Brady looks ridiculous. Okay, that's the man hips that Kris Kardashian boyfriend got.
Tom didn't let The Rock slide. He responded by saying, "I feel like I'm the only one adhering to this dress code you told me about." Then he posted a Photoshop picture of The Rock's face on a very old picture of himself with the caption, "Looks like you skipped leg day recently, though." That one didn't look as good.
Now, Tom's been very active on Facebook and Instagram, so all of a sudden he decides to join Twitter. What's the reasoning behind that?
You finally cave in. You just finally cave into it.
Yeah, I'm sure he might inflate and deflate his numbers or do something exciting on Twitter. He'll figure
Inflate
something
or
out.
deflate? I got you.
Oh, never forget.